Hi, Michael Tebow here, done for you marketing systems with this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minutes, and it's Friday the 13th, so I hope you're not suspicious. Don't let a black cat cross in front of you or walk underneath the ladder, or heaven forbid, break a mirror, right? And we don't need any more bad luck than we have right now. And you might notice I have my special t-shirt on, Nobody Cares, Work Harder. Right? Because it's true, especially right now. Nobody cares that you don't have any staff. Nobody cares that you can't get product. Nobody cares that you have to drive over to Gordon Foods, Mizell Cisco's warehouse to pick up your product and make 8, 10, 12 trips. Nobody cares, right? They just want their car fixed. They just want their dinner, their hamburger, their beer. They just want whatever product you're selling out of your brick and mortar business. Don't you feel like as a business owner, sometimes you're an island in a big ocean all by yourself, right? Because there's nobody you can call in sick to. There's nobody you can complain to. The customers don't want to hear it, and you can't really complain to your staff, so you feel like you're all alone. And I know I've talked to a lot of restaurant owners and auto repair shop owners and small business owners over the past 2 weeks, and I know you're struggling right now to get through it because of the staffing issue. And it's not just you, it's your suppliers not having staff as well. So that's a huge concern. And you kind of feel, I've heard this from a lot of different business owners, especially restaurants, you just feel like you're a fireman that's been knocked on your butt, going around putting out fires. That's all you're doing all day long. Why? Because you don't have any staff. You're putting out fires, you're filling in. If you got a restaurant, you're working the line, you're bussing tables, you're dishwashing, and it sucks. I know that's not why you got into the restaurant business, auto repair shop, whatever business you're in. You didn't become an owner to be a fireman. I get that. So how do we fix that, right? Well, I'm going to help you out with the staffing issue, and I want to give you a lot of great information and also give you a done-for-you solution, because staffing is a marketing challenge, right? What does a marketing guy know about finding staff? Well, it's just like finding new customers and getting them to take action, which is to fill out the application. So this is only going to be up for a couple more days. I think it comes down Sunday night. So make sure you get over and you watch this now. I did a shortened version of the full hour and 15-minute training session I did a couple of weeks ago, which was very well attended, one of our best ever webinars that we've done in the past year and a half. So what I did was, first time ever, because I know you're busy, you're doing all different kinds of things in your business right now, so I did a Cliff Notes 12-minute version where I break down exactly the top 6, actually there's 13 different strategies to help you find, attract, hire the best restaurant employees for your business. So make sure you go over here and check that out. There's a link below. You can click the button, it'll take you, and it's only 12 minutes, and I give you so many different great ideas you can use for your business. But you remember, you need to have a system in place to get new staff, because it's not just running an ad on ZipRecruiter or Indeed. There's a bunch of other components that need to go along with it. So for the webinar, and even in this 12 minutes, and I talk really, really fast, so make sure you take a lot of great notes, but I cover the most cost-effective ways to locate, attract, and get top-notch staff that actually shows up for the interview, okay? And what your potential employees really want when they're looking for a job. It's not what you think. And why online hiring websites aren't your best option, but what is, and how to combat that and what you can do. And also how to ethically approach staff that are currently working at other similar businesses in your geographic area. And the one thing that works better than anything else that we've tested to attract applicants, and how to put that on autopilot and so much more. You can get all that in 12 minutes. Okay, so just click the button below. Like I said, it'll take you over to the magic page. You can press the play button and check out the 13 different strategies to help you get more staff and to be able to systematize it as well and put it on autopilot. So check that out. It's coming down on Sunday night, I believe. So hopefully you get this email and open it up before then. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a very successful week, and take care.